At the end of spring and early summer, you can do a technique called the Chelsea chop to lots of summer flowering herbaceous perennials, like this campanula here. It's grown really strongly during the spring, and we've got to the early summer, around about the time of the Chelsea flower show, so late spring, early summer, and it's really suffering in the heat. It's grown so quickly and it's flopping a bit, so if we do the Chelsea chop on this, we'll firm up the shoots and we'll stop it wilting, but we'll also delay flowering. And if we're really clever, just on one plant, we can cut back some of the stems so that we delay flowering by around about 6 weeks. So what I like to do is look at the whole plant. Here's one big clump here, and the tallest, strongest shoots, I cut them back by about 1/3 or 1/2 their length. So what I'm doing is I'm coming down onto here, coming halfway down the stem here, and I'm just cutting above a leaf joint there, and then miss a few stems out, and then come down and cut above a leaf joint there, and then perhaps further back, because that's over there is where it's viewed from. This is the back of the plant, so I'm just going to cut this one slightly further up, just above a leaf joint on the plant. This is a waste material. Cut some of these back stems down, thin out some of these stems completely, and what you'll find is that the stems that I leave on will carry on growing and flower at their natural time, and the ones I've cut back will produce side shoots that will flower around about 6 weeks later, as I say. And the added benefit is that many more of them will start to grow, many more of those side shoots will start to grow, and each one will end in a bunch of flowers. So we'll get an early flush of flowers, and then the ones we've cut back will flower later on in the season. So from one plant we get double the value.